First of all, rebound. Okay? Rebound. Patience in offense, right? Patience in offense.
It's the time to believe. It's not the time to be scared. It's the time to believe.
It's the moment that lost character. Okay, right up with balance and find the basket.
Más tensión, más tensión. Estamos destensionados, vamos. Discipline. Discipline in our offense, guys. In our set offense.
There is no excuses, baby. There is no excuses. Dormain made it 3. I shut up.
How many fouls you play now? How many fucking fouls? Una falta! Espera, Moncho. I'm good. We're everybody good. We're fine. We will keep going. Vamos. Come on, man. What do you get to say this?
Slow down. I'm talking with Victor. Just slow down, eh? Slow down.
What is impossible? Enter basket. They run a backward. How is possible? Después de canasta lo esconden una bandeja. Decirme, ¿cómo es posible?
Tyson, the first ball you touch coming from the bench is Shanky's.
No pasas ni una, papi, hijo mío. Ni una, macho.
¡Agua el 10! ¡Solo pensando en meter canastas!
What a lucky we are. They get the rebound. Open to the ball. They score, rebound, everything. And we need to turn over the ball.
Javi, duro. Random hard. Damian hard. Everybody go hard to the basket. Y duro. Que las piten.